We'll guide you through how to reset the home screen layout on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you're finding yours is quite cluttered, it's a bit random, and so you want kind of a fresh start. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide has important things throughout the whole video, and it's not quite as straightforward as you may think. So we're going to guide you through it step by step. So we need to go and head to the settings. So you can go and swipe up. You need to go and find settings. You can always go and search for the top if you struggle to go and find it, or just swipe across. You can see I've got my settings app just here. So come into it. Now you may think you need to go and find the reset settings, but you don't. In fact, what you need to do is go and scroll down, and you need to go and find the option for apps and come into here. Now what you need to do is at the top is go and press choose default apps. And what we need to do is identify the home app which is used on your device, as there can be different variants of Android, so this can vary slightly. So I go and press home app. This is OpenUI Home. You can go and see here apps often called launchers that replace home screens on your Android device. So this device uses One UI Home. Different Androids may be different. So note that down, and then what you need to do is come back to the main apps. So I'm looking for One UI Home. So now what we can do is go and scroll down here and go and find it. You can always go and use the search in the top. This is alphabetical, by the way, so that just helps you out. So I can go down, I'm looking for O. So as you can see here, it is One UI Home. So this is the app launcher, which controls the layout essentially. So we can come in here. Then what you can do is you can go down, and we need to go and find the option for storage. And then you can go to the bottom left. And what we need to do is go and clear the data to go and reset this. And this will then go and reset the layout. So keep watching, press clear data, confirm your decision with deleting the data, press delete and wait. If I now come out of here, just go and wait, you may go and see that it's blank. It's now been reset, as you can see. So it's all a lot tidier and it's no longer random. And you can go and check out these pages here, and these should go and be reset as well. So it's that simple. As you can see, it may take a moment or two to go and reload them all. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.